Hey guys, it's Thomas. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video for 2 whole weeks. My computer wouldn't let me edit videos whatsoever. So my computer's finally working for me now. We're gonna get a new one soon, hopefully. So yeah, let's get started with today's Thingiverse Thursday. So this is what we have for today's Thursday. Today's Thursday makes no sense, but I've changed my set. I'm working on a new one. This is kind of it partway through. So with that aside, this is a gear cube designed by Emmett on Thingiverse. So it prints in let's see, 17 whole parts. But there's only like 4 separate parts. So when you print this, you'll need to print 4 of these smaller cubes, 3 of these bigger cubes, or 4 of these bigger cubes, 8 pins to connect it to the centerpiece, and 8 pins to connect it to the centerpiece, and you need to print the centerpiece. So no supports are required for this model. So the first thing that is really cool is you turn it, and the whole gear cube rotates because it's all connected gears. You can just turn it around, like this. And then eventually comes back. So let's get some close-ups. Okay, so here's the model up close. You can see kind of the ley lines, but that doesn't matter. So here's a close-up of it being turned. Let's see, I'll set this down so you can do it. Just zoom out maybe. It's a really squeaky. Don't mind if your ears are hurting now. Then eventually you'll turn it around and back to the center. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, the link to print this yourself will be in the description. I'm working on my time-lapse setup, but my Octoprint stopped working. I'm still working on it. But my Octoprint server just like pooped, so I lost all the data of me printing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to leave a like, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. So yeah, and as always, don't forget to like that smash button.